Hello, sweet learners. You're most welcome in the channel KV Exam Idea. This is the third video on the chapter Inside Our Earth. And in this video, we will discuss about the usage of rocks and minerals. I hope this video will be useful for you. Usage of rocks. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. And in this picture, you can see that some workers are making roads and they used rock materials to make the roads. And in another picture, here is rock material used to build the railway tracks, and this is the red fort picture, and the red fort is made of red stone, and the Taj Mahal is made of marble. So all pictures show that hard rock materials used to made them. Other uses of rocks use stones in many games such as seven stones, and we also call it pittu. Hopscotch, we call it stepu, kit kit. Five stones, which played by five stones. Some other usage of rocks: making cement, limestone used to make cement, and limestone origin from sedimentary rocks. Writing chalk, building materials, and bath scrub. Example, pumic, it got from igneous rocks. The rock cycle. What do you mean by the rock cycle? One type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. Rock cycle. How is rock cycle working? To understand this, I will show you first some pictures. Magma, igneous rocks, sediments, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. This is a rock cycle where one rock changes and converted into another rocks. You have already learnt when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. These igneous rocks are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited from sedimentary rocks. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subject to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. And again, metamorphic rocks change into magma. So I will show you through some other examples. Here, igneous rocks also directly changes into metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks also changes into sediments. When igneous rocks broken down in small particles, that is called sediments. These sediments converted into sedimentary rocks, and sometimes sedimentary rocks again broken down and converted into sediments, and sedimentary rocks also converted into metamorphic rocks. So you can see sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks are directly sometimes converted into metamorphic rocks. And sedimentary rocks also directly converted into magma. Metamorphic rocks sometimes converted into sediments and sometimes converted into magma. And again this process started. So this is called rock cycle. Rocks are made up of different minerals. So let's start. What is mineral? What is mineral? Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Importance or usage of minerals. Some minerals uses as fuel. For example, coal, natural gas and petroleum. Used in industries, for example, iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. Used in medicine, for example, calcium, important for healthy bones and teeth. Used in fertilizers, for example, the raw phosphates are mainly utilized in the production of phosphate fertilizers. Thank you for watching.